What are the advantages of using RAG over relying solely on an LLM internal knowledge? Answer: using RAG reinforcement augmented generation instead of relying solely on an LLM internal knowledge has several benefits. One of the main advantages is that RAG systems can pull in fresh information from external sources, providing more accurate and timely responses. This is particularly important in fields like law, medicine, or tech, where up-to-date, specialized knowledge is crucial. By incorporating external data, RAG reduces the likelihood of hallucinations errors where the model makes up fat as the answers are based on real data. This approach also helps to mitigate the limitations of an LLM internal knowledge, which may be outdated or lacking detail. RAG systems can provide more comprehensive and accurate responses by combining the strengths of both internal and external knowledge. This is achieved by using reinforcement learning to fine-tune the model's performance and adapt it to new information. As a result, RAG systems can learn from their mistakes and improve over time, making them more reliable and effective in generating accurate responses. In summary, using RAG instead of relying solely on an LLM internal knowledge offers several benefits, including the ability to provide more accurate and timely responses, reduce hallucinations, and adapt to new information. This approach can be particularly useful in fields where up-to-date, specialized knowledge is essential.